Hey folks, today, we're diving into a hot topic: how to improve image quality with AI. We all know that crisp and clear images are a game changer, whether it's for social media, design projects, or personal photos. But traditional methods can be time-consuming and limited. And that's where AI steps in and blows our minds. It's faster, more versatile, and can work wonders with just a few clicks. Firstly, let's start with a quick overview of the tool we are going to use, VideoProc Converter AI. It can upscale images to 4K, 8K, and 10K with clear details, reduce noise, and restore old and grainy photos. Now download and install VideoProc Converter AI with the link in the comments section. It's safe, clean, and lightweight. Open VideoProc Converter AI. Click Super Resolution. Drag and drop one or multiple images to it. Also, you can import videos to enhance. Now you have two options to improve the image quality. One is to up the resolution. Select the scale here. This is going to upscale the image with the AI Super Resolution model. The other is to enhance the image without changing the resolution. Check this option. VideoProc Converter AI will remove noise and make the image clearer. Next, choose the type of your video here. This is going to activate different AI models to enhance the image better. Choose reality for real-world pictures, photos, or reality-style AI images. Choose anime for animes, graphics, or illustrations. Repeat the step to enhance more images. Also, you can experiment with this option and compare the result in the preview window. Finally, choose an output format and file folder. Click the Run button to export. Now let's check these images. Looking quite clear and vibrant. That's all for today. Hope you get it done with ease. If you have any questions or need specific tips, tell us in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. See you in the next video.